Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Diana Angeles. I am 40 years old from Philippines. A mother of 3 children, 2 sons and 1 daughter. The ages is 20 years old, 14 years old, and 2 years old. And I have working experience in Doha, Qatar, almost 2 years and 4 months. From May 2017 until September 2019, and I finished my contract. I have 4 members of the family, 2 adults, and 2 children. The eldest is 9 years old, and the youngest is 5 years old. And also, I'm working here in Philippines almost 2 years, from October 2019 until December 2021 in Makati City. They have 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 daughter, age 6 years old. My main duties are taking care of the kids. I do housekeeping and cooking. Ma'am and Sir, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs, saving money for my kids for the future. Mom and Sir, please give me a chance to hire me as your helper. I am a patient person, honest, responsible, and hardworking. Mom and Sir, I am willing to learn how to cook your favorite dishes, and I promise I do my best to my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.